You are so pretty. Wow, they're coming to me. I don't know why. I don't have food. Why are you guys coming to me?